Hi, I'm Krista Dempster with Remax City Realty on the Sunshine Coast. Welcome to my new listing.
Welcome to 1248 Timberland Road in Roberts Creek. Situated on almost an acre, this exquisite family estate is private and surrounded by meticulously kept gardens, grounds, and trails. The amazing main house is a level entry, custom-built 3,368 square foot West Coast style home. On the top floor, you'll find hardwood and tile throughout, an open concept kitchen and dining room with quartz countertops and quality appliances. One level down is a self-contained 2-bedroom suite with shared laundry, a private and fenced yard, a covered deck, and separate parking. Further down on the property is an adorable 1-bedroom cottage with hardwood floors, in-suite laundry, and a welcoming covered patio and a fenced yard. Next to the main home is a separate garage with various shop spaces, and right next to it is designated RV coverage. Above the garage is a 1-bedroom living space complete with in-suite laundry and high-end touches like hardwood floors and vaulted ceilings. Get out your clubs. You're steps away from the nearby Sunshine Coast Golf and Country Club. A walking path connects you to Roberts Creek favorites like the Gumboot Cafe, Roberts Creek Pier, and Roberts Creek Elementary. Let's take a walkthrough tour of some of the living spaces. Starting with the main home, we enter via the guest entrance. Just inside and to our left is an office with a window, hardwood floors, and contemporary lighting. Back into the foyer, we arrive in the open living space with gleaming tiled floors underfoot. The massive living room draws us in with its vaulted ceilings and majestic rock fireplace. There are hardwood floors, plenty of windows for natural light, and another deck access. Once on the deck, we feel the peaceful nature of this property thanks to the forested backdrop and the lush lawn below. The deck itself has plenty of room for an outdoor dining set and, of course, your barbecue. We head back inside and get a second view of the dining area and kitchen. Custom cabinetry, quartz countertops, and a warm neutral color palette capture our attention. There are 4 appliances, including a gas range. Leaving the kitchen, we head to the first bedroom. Here we find a window, hardwood floors, and a closet just to the left. Next door is the main bathroom with tiled floors and a tiled tub and shower surround. There's a window, a large vanity for storage, and a big wall mirror. Next, we stop at the home's family entrance and boot room. The space extends a bit to the right, and ahead of us are the stairs to the lower level. Back into the open living space, we head to the master bedroom with its walk-in closet found just on the left. The master bedroom has hardwood floors, plenty of windows, and an ensuite bathroom with pocket door. The bathroom has a deep soaker tub, a separate shower, and a lengthy vanity with a supersized mirror. Back at the functional and roomy boot room, we turn to head downstairs. Near the bottom of the stairs is the door to the 2-bedroom suite, which has its own exterior entry from the walkout level. Today, unfortunately, we weren't able to include that suite in the tour. Next door is the shared laundry room with its full-size washer and dryer. This room has some additional storage space and also houses the utilities, including HVAC and a central vac. Across the hall is a 3rd bedroom with carpeted floors, a window, and a closet. We'll have a quicker tour of the adorable 1-bedroom cottage with its gorgeously finished indoor and outdoor spaces. Outside, there's a large private porch and a fenced yard. Inside are hardwood floors, vaulted ceilings, and a kitchen with an island. The entire space has been well designed with plenty of windows for natural light. Extra closets and cupboards provide plenty of storage. The bedroom has carpeted floors and the combined bathroom and laundry room has tiled floors. Back at the main house, we cross to the detached garage. A mosaic of concrete, brick, and stone creates plenty of mud-free parking. The garage is currently being set up as a workshop, but an overhead door means that it could instead be used to park vehicles. A door at the rear of the shop opens to an oversized storage shed with cement floors. It'll be easy to fully organize your tools and equipment. Back outside, we head above the garage to explore another living space. On one side of the entrance is a single bedroom, and on the other side is the laundry room, which doubles as a walk-in closet. The open concept living space has vaulted ceilings, hardwood floors, and a galley kitchen. Alongside is the living room, dining space, and the 3-piece bathroom. Exploring the great outdoors of this property, we find an oasis of spaces. From relaxing patios and decks to lush lawns and fenced yards, each dwelling has its own outdoor living space, each of which are ideal for relaxing or for entertaining. This spectacular Roberts Creek estate would suit many types of buyers. Maybe you'll live in the main home and use the other suites as mortgage helpers. Or maybe it'll be an intergenerational home for you, your parents, and your children. Or maybe you'll buy it as an investment on BC's Sunshine Coast. There are just so many options that you need to see 1248 Timberland Road in person. Call Realtor Krista Dempster to schedule your appointment.
I like to build community one home at a time. Call me at 604-740-2050. Thanks for watching.